Are you struggling to delete a Facebook page in 2025? Maybe you are rebranding, closing a business, or just want a fresh start. Whatever the reason, I will walk you through the fastest way to delete your Facebook page, step by step. Stay till the end to avoid common mistakes that might keep your page from getting deleted. Step 1. First, log into your Facebook account and go to the page you want to delete. Step 2. Click on your profile picture at the top right, then scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Step 3. Scroll down until you see your information section, then select Access and Control. Now click on Deactivation and Deletion. Step 4. Now Facebook will ask you, would you like to deactivate or delete page? Select delete page and click continue. Facebook may ask you, why do you want to delete your Facebook page? You must select the reason or click on continue. Step 5. Carefully review the information. If you are 100% sure, scroll down and click continue. Facebook will ask you to enter your Facebook password to confirm it's you. Enter the password and click continue. That's it. Your Facebook page is now scheduled for deletion. Facebook will schedule the deletion within 13 days. So if you change your mind, you can cancel before that period ends.